In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve Punjab University test MCQs, that is every infinite cyclic group is solution. Theorem, that is let G be a cyclic group with generator A. If the order of G is infinite, then G is isomorphic to Z plus. If G has infinite order, then if G has finite order and then G is isomorphic to Z n plus n. So option A is correct, isomorphic to Z, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.